Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Krakow, Poland, and I'm going to Krakus Mound. It's that big hill back there, over there, and I think they were used for artillery back in the war. But it's Krakus Mound, and I think there's like 5 or 6 or 7 of them all over Poland, or all over Krakow anyway. I did one before, and I think I did a video on it, but this one I'm going to walk to. Let me show you what I got here. So it's right up there. So it's probably 100 flights of stairs, but I got to cross this bridge first. And I'm kind of glad the bridge is here, or I'd be running across 3 lanes of freeway traffic. But that's where I'm headed. The top of that mountain up there. Yowza, yowza, yowza. Okay, well, I'm going to put this away and get to some walking. I'll be back. Bye-bye. Okay. Oh my gosh. Well, I made it. Kind of. This is the view from the city, and then this is Krakus Mound. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was quite the climb. And it looks like I still got a little bit of a climb left. Wow, wow. Pretty amazing. And I think there's a way up here somewhere besides the crap steps on the side. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, let's walk around it and see if we can find a reasonable approach before I have to go full on crazy. And it looks like there's a ring cut into it, but I don't know if that's accessible or workable. And there's puppies out here. Wow, it certainly is steep. And it's beautiful up here. You can see forever. I guess the view on top is pretty amazing. Wow, okay, well, come on now. Have a way up, please. And is that a nuclear power plant way over there? Maybe. No idea. Aha. The fence ends. Oh, I guess this is the entrance. Okay. Oh, entrance. That's me. Mr. Entrance. And it looks like there's a little bit of a wind here, but I'd rather take this trail instead of up the side of a mountain. So we'll go this way. Phew. I didn't know I was going to be doing a whole bunch of climbing today, but it doesn't matter. I climbed the other one, but I think it was paved and nice, and there was an entrance fee and all sorts of stuff. Wow, wow. And you can see downtown from here and Wallwell Castle. Oh, the view from up here is amazing. Look at that. Well, let me get to the top and we'll point things out. Oh my gosh. Please let there be a bench. Pretty please. And no bench. Just a mound. Oh. Wow, wow. And here's the view. Let me level out my camera a bit. There we go. Wow. Wow, wow. Beautiful. All right. Let's talk about some things we know. We know that that's, let me zoom in here. That's Walwell Castle over there. And in the square, you can see one tower and two towers. I can't zoom in any more than this, but that's Old Town and the city. So I think it's a couple miles away, but it's pretty amazing. And the view is gorgeous. I'll spin one more time. And this is Krakus Mound. And you can see, I don't know what this is down here, a little fort or something strange or unique or different. And it looks like it's in a canyon. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And I think that's a nuclear power plant over there. It's on the water, so I'm guessing I think it is. And at first I wanted to say this looked like a water park, but I think it's just a freeway or a road or something. Wow. Very amazing. All right, everybody, Krakus Mound. Thanks for coming. Now you know what you get when you get up here. So there's no benches or anything, so if you want to sit and have your lunch, bring a folding chair. That's it for me, everybody. Bye-bye.